Let's dive into the world of one of nature's most incredible predators, a creature of immense power and patience. We're about to explore the fascinating hunting strategies and evolutionary adaptations that make this animal a true apex predator, the python. These magnificent snakes are found across various continents, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. These snakes can swallow animals as large as deer or alligators, a feat that seems almost impossible. Their jaws are incredibly flexible, allowing them to consume prey many times their own head size. Thanks to millions of years of evolution, over countless generations, their bodies have evolved to become perfectly suited for this unique feeding strategy. Pythons are the ultimate ambush predators. They exemplify patience and precision in the art of hunting. They don't chase, they wait, sometimes for days on end, conserving energy and remaining undetected. Perfectly camouflaged for hours or even days. Their skin patterns mimic the surrounding foliage, making them virtually invisible. Blending into their surroundings, whether it's the leaf-littered forest floor or the dense undergrowth, they become invisible to unsuspecting prey. Small mammals, birds, and even larger animals can unknowingly wander into their trap. When the moment comes, when the prey is within striking distance, the python strikes with lightning speed, a blur of muscle and scales, sinking its backward curved teeth in. These teeth are not designed for chewing, but for gripping. These teeth act like hooks, locking the prey in place, preventing any escape. The real power comes next, constriction. This is where the python's strength truly shines. The python coils around its prey, wrapping its muscular body tightly, tightening with every exhale. Each squeeze applies immense pressure, cutting off vital functions. Contrary to myth, they don't crush bones. That would require an enormous amount of force. They cut off blood flow, causing a rapid, silent death. The prey quickly loses consciousness due to lack of oxygen. This lethal embrace allows them to secure massive meals, providing them with the energy they need for weeks to come, and then go weeks or months without eating again. Digestion is a slow and energy-intensive process for these snakes. It's a strategy of patience, power, and perfect adaptation, a testament to the incredible forces of natural selection. Pythons are not just predators, they are a symbol of evolutionary success. They're survival specialists. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments is a testament to their adaptability. Their hunting style is a masterclass in stealth and strength, a perfect blend of patience and explosive power. Every move is calculated, every muscle fiber working in perfect harmony, every strike precise, a demonstration of honed skill and instinct. That's what makes the python the ultimate ambush predator, a true marvel of the natural world. Pythons are truly remarkable creatures capable of incredible feats, but have you ever stopped to wonder, how does a python swallow something significantly bigger than its own head? It seems almost impossible, doesn't it? The secret lies in the unique structure of their skull. It's all in the skull. Unlike our own, their lower jaw isn't fused into a single bone. Instead, it's comprised of two separate bones, joined together by a stretchy, flexible ligament. This remarkable adaptation allows them to open their mouths incredibly wide. Furthermore, the jawbones move independently of each other, providing an additional advantage. This allows the snake to effectively walk its mouth over its prey, inching it down, side to side, with a mesmerizing and somewhat unsettling motion. But the adaptations don't stop there. Their skin is incredibly elastic, and their ribs can stretch and expand, making room for truly enormous meals. Even their breathing adapts to this unique eating style. They possess a special tube called the glottis, which acts like a snorkel, allowing them to draw breath even as they're in the process of swallowing. This ingenious adaptation ensures they can continue to breathe comfortably while swallowing their massive meal. Every single part of their anatomy, from their jaws to their skin to their respiratory system, is meticulously built and perfectly adapted for this one primary purpose. That purpose is consuming huge prey, animals that would be impossible for most other predators of their size to even consider. It's not just a big mouth that allows them to do this. It's so much more. It's a testament to the power of natural selection, a marvel of evolutionary engineering that has shaped these creatures into the ultimate eating machines. And that's precisely how pythons are able to successfully tackle meals that no other predator of their size could even begin to attempt. What do pythons eat? It depends on their size and habitat. Young pythons start with rodents, lizards, and birds, perfecting their hunting skills. As they grow, so does their menu monkeys, wild pigs, even small deer. The largest pythons, like the reticulated python, can take down full-grown deer, wild boar, and even crocodiles. They're opportunistic, eating whatever they can catch and swallow. By preying on a range of animals, pythons help keep ecosystems balanced. They're not monsters, they're nature's regulators. After the catch, the real work begins for the python. Swallowing prey whole is a slow, exhausting process, demanding patience and immense effort from the snake. Sometimes this process can take hours, even an entire day, depending on the size of the meal. To aid in this monumental task, the python produces copious amounts of saliva. This acts as a lubricant, helping the prey slide down the esophagus. The python is incredibly vulnerable during this time, as it's slow-moving and exposed. It relies heavily on its camouflage to remain undetected and safe from potential predators. Once the prey is finally swallowed, the complex process of digestion begins. The python's internal organs, including the stomach and intestines, dramatically expand to accommodate the massive meal. Its stomach then releases a cocktail of powerful acids and enzymes to break down the ingested matter. Flesh, bone, and everything else is subjected to this intense chemical breakdown. Even the tough keratin of hooves is eventually dissolved. Digestion is a lengthy affair, and it can take weeks or even months for a particularly large meal to be fully processed. During this period, the snake remains largely stationary, conserving energy as its body works tirelessly. Their digestive system is remarkably efficient at extracting nutrients. Almost nothing is wasted in this process. Every possible calorie is absorbed. At the end, just a small pellet of indigestible material, like hair or feathers, remains. After such a substantial feast, the python enters a period of satiation. A python may not need to eat again for many months, sometimes foregoing food for extended periods. In some cases, they can even survive for a year or more without another meal. This incredible ability to feast and then endure long periods of fasting is absolutely key to their survival in environments where prey may be scarce or unpredictable. It's a truly remarkable adaptation, perfectly suited for life as a top predator in its ecosystem. Pythons are more than just formidable hunters, they're vital to their ecosystems. As apex predators, they control populations of prey, preventing overgrazing and maintaining balance. They often remove sick or weak animals, keeping prey populations healthy. Studying pythons reveals secrets of biology, from organ growth to extreme metabolism. These snakes are evolutionary marvels, not monsters. Next time you see a python, remember you're looking at a master of survival and a guardian of the wild. Absolutely brilliant!